Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can download all of your data from your Google Drive all at once. So it's pretty simple, follow the step. First you want to go to your Google account, and my Google account is currently linked to my browser. So what I'm going to do is click on this button and click on this option called Accounts. Now once I'm inside my account, I'm going to click on Manage Your Data and Privacy over here. Once I click on it, I'm going to scroll all the way down until the bottom until I find this option called Download Your Data. Once you see it, click on it. And after this step, it's going to take you over here. From here, click on Deselect All. Now once all of this is deselected, scroll all the way down until you see Drive. Once you see Drive, tick mark Drive. After Drive is tick marked, scroll all the way down and click on where it says Next Step. Now from over here, it's going to ask you to choose how you want to download it. So I want to download it via email link. So if I choose this, then basically after my download file has been ready, Google is going to send me an email link, and it's going to send the email link on whichever Google account I'm currently at. And once I check the email and click on the link, it'll start to download. But before I do that, I need to check this export once. I need to choose the file type. So I want it to be on .zip, so I will choose that. And since my Google Drive has more than 2 GB, so I'm going to choose 10 GB, or you can even go for 50 GB if you want to. So I'll just go for 50 GB. And I'll click on Create Export. Once I do that, a download link will be created. And it's going to take me 1 or 2 days to receive that download link. But once the download link is ready, it's going to be sent on my email. So I just need to open my email and check the download link which is sent by Google. And I can just click on the download link and download my folder of OneDrive. So that is how we guys can do it. Hit the subscribe to our channel one step. I'll see you guys next time.